welcome back to another episode of Tattoos and Food. I know what you're thinking. Girl, another chicken sandwich? Yes, another chicken sandwich because I had one left over. No, I didn't. I took Lewis's that he forgot to take to work. So, yes, another chicken sandwich. This time with some egg spring rolls. And I have my... Well, look at that. Look who I have here. Say hi, Khaleesi. She's gonna be popping on and off. Anyways, I have my 3-cheese alfredo sauce that I made, and so that's what we're gonna have with this. Khaleesi has some raviolis. This is not ravioli. Lasagna strips. So you will see her in and out of the video. We also have some M&M. That bra strap is out of place. We also have some M&Ms, some peanut butter M&Ms, which hopefully we'll be able to eat or not. Who knows? Anyways, I want to get into this because I'm hungry, and this chicken sandwich is so good. Can we eat more of this? Guys, I have to tell you guys some stuff. So, where do I begin? How about with the spring roll? Oh, there's no school, so Andrew should be coming out soon too. Yep, that's a lot of cheese in there that y'all see. That's cheese y'all see. It's too hot, Mommy. You gotta wait. Good morning, son. He's trying to shush me up. It's hot. Come on. Ooh, that girl can eat. Come on, you want to eat it on camera? Show them. Trying to see if I get a cheese pool somewhat. So I finished it off with some American cheddar. It has cotija cheese. No. Get off the table. It has cotija cheese. I have Parmigiano Reggiano. I'm sorry. That's a 4. 4 alfredo. 4 cheese alfredo. No. And it has cheddar to finish off. So that was so yummy. So I put this, like everybody has done, I put it in the air fryer. Oh man, you see all that damn grease come out. I want more, but I'm gonna take a bite of it first. That sandwich is so good. Y'all see her? She said this. Look, she's just going in. Come here. Hey, come. No. No more of this. This was yummy. Child, we almost had a malfunction here.
Hi.
Hi. My brother just said hi to her.
Hi.
That's good. No, I'm trying to share with you. Y'all see how big she is now?
No.
Yeah? Come here, let me wipe you. No. Anyways, where can I start? Let's start. Ooh. Get off that table. Get off. Get off. Start it?
No. That's it.
Here, wipe your mouth. Okay, so where can I start with you guys? Let me start with telling you a story. A little story time that happened here. Child, I look a hot mess. I try to get up early, right? Stop. I try to get up early so I can make a video where my children don't come llamaron. Tú eres papá, tú meme. As so. But honey, the second I start to crawl around the house, they sense me and they ready to go up. Get up with me. So I'm trying to fix. I should have worn the strap. Strap is wrong. Oh well. I don't think the lighting is too good here. Oh well. Because it's all about the food. You guys can see the food. You don't have to take it slow. Oh, you brought me the extra pickles. Thank you. Here goes that lemon rain. What B Love says, that lemon rain. So how about the other day? I was getting up in the morning, right? As I usually do, I open these huge windows here, and I open my back door. I have French doors, and I have the windows shade curtains, right? So I went to open the windows up here in front, and I see a man. No, can you not put it there?
Daddy. Daddy.
Lord Jesus, are you just gonna do this? She's gonna take over my mukbangs. I can't. So, I open the windows and I see a man in his vehicle looking to what seems to be abandoning his dog at my front doorstep, leash and all. But we're not talking about, honey, a little chihuahua. Okay, we're talking about a pit bull, and we're not talking about a little puppy neither. We're talking about a grown pit bull. Okay, fear in his eyes and awe. Not fear in his eyes, domination in his eyes and fear in mine. Okay, and I immediately run to go get my robe. So I had nothing but like a shirt on. I run to go get my robe, and I proceed to ask him, "Sir, kindly, what the hell are you doing?" And he's like, "Oh no, you know that the dog jumped in front of my car, and I just wanted to move it out the way." And I'm like, "Really?" Because I could have sworn I just saw the dog get out the car. I didn't tell him that, but I'm like, "You sure?" He's like, "Yeah, it was just in my way. I don't know, if it belongs to anybody around here." I'm like, "Yeah, it's weird. He has a leash on." And he's like, "Yeah, but the dog seems to know him, like friendly. Maybe he's just a, friendly dog." So I'm like, "Okay, well, if you want to leave him tied here in the front, maybe someone will pass by looking panically for their dog, and I could say, 'Here's your dog.'" So we did that. But, I FaceTime my fiance, and he told me, "Oh, no, it looks like I've seen the neighbor walking that dog before." So I go to the neighbor's house, the one he told me. And the neighbor tells me, "No, he has no clue whose dog that is." So I call the police. The police called the animal services for me, and they showed up, but they didn't show up that very same day. So now I have this big old dog in my front yard. I'm giving him water, and I'm like trying to put him in the shade. So my son arrives from school, and y'all know him. He's a big teddy bear. So, excuse me, he immediately fell in love with the dog, like immediately. Fell in love with the dog. I told him, "Go ahead, take him to the backyard. We have a pool back there. Take him to the backyard, so you can get a little bit further away from the sun, change of scenery for him, whatnot." And so he did. And fortunately or unfortunately, Andrew fell in love with the dog. And so I told him, "Okay, give him a bath." And when he did, this was nighttime already. Lewis arrived. Lewis fell in love with him too, because Lewis had been wanting a pit bull for a long time, and he had one when we met. And so we actually let the dog come in because we tested him outside. The dog was very sweet, very kind dog, very loving. The dog was very trained. He rolled, gave paw, he sit, all of that good stuff. So we let him come in, but the girls were in the room. And so the next day, now we're like getting all excited with the dog. The next day, animal services arrives at my house. Now I had the choice whether to let them in or not, or to examine the dog or not. But I did, because if does belong to a family, I felt bad. So he checked in. He does have a chip, and the owners actually lived somewhere nearby. He wasn't gonna say who or whatever, but he did live nearby. So he was gonna attempt to get a hold of them. So the dog's name is King, and the dog has been in the shelter for 4 days now. So I already went and I paid the donation fee to get the dog registered under my name if the dog isn't claimed or if he's surrendered. So now we're literally waiting day by day to see if we can get the dog for us. So I cannot wait to show you guys. We still have Salem, our cat. We still have Salem, that's our baby. And you know, we're gonna hopefully make it work with them. But yeah, so soon we'll have a pit bull joining the tattoos and family, tattoos and food family. So yeah, what else can I say? I don't want milk. I don't want milk. Thank you to everybody who watched my video last night. Thank you to everybody who wrote to us or to me. I'm very happy to see everybody get so excited of me coming back. I'm sorry I had almost the same menu today. But I mean, when you got this kind of Popeyes chicken sandwich, you just can't let it go to waste. You gotta eat it, okay? And my alfredo sauce. I make my alfredo sauce from scratch. Absolutely love it. I usually don't make pink sauce all the time, but I decided to make. Look, she likes it so much. It's that good. We ate it with ravioli, and I made parm chicken. So, anyways, guys, I'm done here. I'm full. Your girl could last a little bit longer. Look at her. That's it. No more. No more. Your girl could eat a little more, but I'm not going to. No. Yeah. Because you're not going to tummy ache. But I will have some of these M&Ms. These are the peanut butter. I love peanut butter. I really want to work my mic out. Because I want to do ASMR. You guys know I love ASMR. Peanut butter, protein. Stinky little. What's away from the camera? Yeah, it's that new table that he got yesterday. I'm so excited. I don't want to scratch it yet. She's scratching it already. She took all my. Oh my god. I'm never wearing strapless with a strap. Oh, I'm strapped with a strapless shirt. Anyways, guys. Story of my life. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Put on the notification bell so you can get notified when your girl uploads new content. I love you guys. Thanksgiving is coming. Woohoo!